how to speed up your workflow. Maybe if you're just getting into this or you're not practicing these techniques that I'm about to share with you guys. Let's break it down. So over my past year as a video editor, I've come across a lot of struggles and a bunch of different things that I've learned could definitely help speed things up. One thing that I recognized and really stood out to me automatically on my journey is in the beginning, I was not organized whatsoever. My folders were a mess. Everything was everywhere. I couldn't find anything. And one thing you come to know as an editor is that you're going to be doing a lot of repeat work and a lot of repeating projects or reusing content. It's just the name of the game. So you either play it or you don't. You're going to be spending a lot of time looking for those files. So the way I do this and kind of fixed up my bad habits of not organizing stuff is I really break stuff down. Let's say I'm working on a project for my own YouTube channel. I'll first create a parent folder for this account, RobCreates, and break that down into a video section in which I have all the different folders for each video I'm posting, and within that folder I break it down even more, going into video files in one folder, audio in the next. I have OBS, A-roll, B-roll, whatever I'm doing for those clips, music, sound effects, and sometimes I even break it down even deeper depending on the project. So you really need to make sure that you're doing this on your hard drive, portable hard drive, Davinci Resolve, doesn't matter, all of them. I can promise you that this will at least save you several hours in working on different projects over time. And that time is just gonna start stacking up, man. So make sure you guys are staying organized. This thing really helps out in speeding up your workflow. Tip number 2 that I have for you guys, and out of the things that I've learned, is that I really wish that I got started and dipped my feet into working on different style videos and working on different genres earlier. So from the start, I had ran a YouTube channel in which I was doing crypto stuff, where I was doing a lot of B-roll content, and it was really just cutting up clips and throwing B-roll over it. I mean, no sound effects, none of that, nothing. That's all there was to it. So it's really, really important, I think, to branch off and start working on different kind of videos, whether it's music videos, gaming videos, car videos, finance, talking head videos, doesn't matter. There's probably going to be something that you can learn from each and every one of them. Throughout my time on YouTube and even searching YouTube, I've learned that working in these different fields or genres, we could say, I've learned different things, like, let's say, gaming videos that I can apply to talking head videos from different nodes and structures that I use in Fusion. And we'll talk about that in a sec as well. But my point is, you're going to learn a lot when looking up tutorials online for just different kind of videos in general that you can probably reuse for your own videos. So that's tip number 2. Make sure you guys are working in different genres if you're not already. So tip number 3 is actually going to go hand in hand with number 2, because it's going to be talking about the Fusion page. Don't be afraid of the Fusion page within Davinci Resolve. Everybody talks about a node-based structure being so complicated. Davinci's so hard to learn. It's just like After Effects of Premiere, super complicated. Honestly, I don't think you guys should be afraid of any of it. I wish I could jumped in sooner. I wish I jumped into the color page sooner. Wish I jumped into the sound page of Davinci Resolve faster. Because there's just so many things that you guys are missing out on if you're not going into those pages and kind of, like the last tip, dipping your feet into these different categories. I mean, all the crazy motion graphics, effects, animations, everything's built within Fusion. So really taking the initiative from the start and learning the node-based structure, it's a lot easier once you kind of just jump into it and force yourself to learn it. So I promise you, if you guys check out the different pages in Davinci Resolve, it's going to be life-changing for you guys when working in Davinci. That's how I'm kind of going to leave you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video and got some value out of this, make sure you guys slap that like button. It really helps me get it out to more of you guys and teach more of you guys about Davinci Resolve and video editing in a whole. Also, YouTube's gonna pop up with a couple videos of some nice tutorials that I have on my channel. If you guys haven't checked this one or this one out yet, make sure you check them out. It might teach you guys something. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.